Hello guys, welcome back. In this project, I'm going to show you how to set up a keypad. In order to configure this keypad, you need an 8 pin. 4 pin should be input and 4 pin should be output. And as you can see in this project, I'm going to connect PD0, PD1, PD2 and PD3 to input and PD4 to PD7 as output. And the connection would be, it starts from PD0 and ends to PD7. Alright, let's create our project. Select the board. And the first step is to clear the pin out. Then go to PD0 and make an input. PD1. Okay, we have enabled 4 pin as a input. Now we need 4 pin as output. Now we need to label them. Input should be KR023 and output should be KC. Because in my library, if I define them as these pins, so they should be the same. And let's go to system core, RCC, enable the HSE and LSE. And then go to GPIO. Input pins should be pull down. And alright, let's save it. And now it's time to go in the project folder. And this is my folder, core, source, and copy this library in a source folder. Press F5, then go to properties, general path, here you should go Add folder, debug folder, OK, apply and close. Let's go to keypad, copy the include. Let's build the project. Alright, no errors. Here we need a variable, extern character key. Then go to while key equals to get key, and that's it. Let's build it. No error, no warning. And let's load it. uart. Alright, let's go to debug section. And in a debug session, you should go to live expression and write key. Run the project. If I press 1, you will see the value which is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. All of them works correctly, which means our project works successfully. So at first we added a keypad source to our project, then we include the header file. After that we created a variable, then by this piece of code we get the key. Thank you for watching. Bye.